The Large Hadron Collider at CERN is the world's most advanced and powerful science experiment. Electronic circuits must withstand high radiation levels and extreme temperatures. Those groundbreaking components are being created at SMU in Professor Ping Gui's Electrical Engineering Lab, thanks to a gift to the university from Gerald Ford.
PSK is the same as Quam 4.
Yes.
In 2015, I received the Ford Research Fellowship Grant from SMU, and I was able to actually recruit the most talented students from all over the world. And students are very excited when they heard about they have this opportunity to actually go to CERN in the summer, for the entire summer, to actually do research, to work together with the top scientists and engineers from all over the world.
And students benefit when Professor Gui shares the discoveries funded by this grant in her electrical engineering classroom.
V- voltage.
In his biology lab, Professor Stephen Vick used his gift from SMU donors to study how the human body transforms and stores energy with an essential molecule called ATP.
We hope to gain some insight into what goes wrong with the enzymes that are supposed to be making ATP. In order to do a research project, you always need funds. Almost everything you do costs money, whether you want to buy supplies or you need some new equipment, or sometimes you have to pay salaries to people.
Investments in research enabled Professor Vick to kickstart his investigation and secure a sustaining grant from the National Institutes of Health. Knowledge produced by this research could eventually lead to treatments that save lives.
There are scientists all around the world that are interested in what we're doing.
Scholarships at the Cox School of Business and donations to SMU study abroad programs opened the world to accounting student Sabrina Jansky.
Going abroad was one of the best experiences of my life so far. I spent 5 weeks in Spain doing an internship with a company, and I really liked that program, SMU in Seville, because they were able to pair us with companies and give us internships related to our field back here at SMU.
Sabrina's experience at SMU is propelling her to success. After she was named one of the best and brightest business students in the United States, it was on to the SMU Master's Program in Accounting, and then a job with PwC. Shemi Ojale helped the SMU Mustangs earn national attention, but there's more to his story off the court. Shemi grew up in a small town and started college at Duke, but wanted to find a place where he could make a bigger difference. When he came to SMU, support from Mustang Club donations provided Shemi with expanded opportunities.
I think the biggest thing for me was the Global Sports Academy. You know, they paid for us to go over to Europe and play, 4 or 5 games, travel to different countries, Germany, Belgium. I don't think I'd have that opportunity any other place, the SMU.
Donors who make current use gifts each year help SMU empower people who are creating new knowledge and becoming leaders in their fields and communities.
This is something that is such a tremendous honor and so beneficial to carrying out research.
So we just feel very lucky to actually work on some of the cutting edge, some of the most challenging problems.
To everyone who donates to SMU, who gives to SMU, it's something that we can't really express how grateful we are for what you do. It's truly life-changing.
I just want to say thank you so much, because I know not only myself, but I have tons of friends across this campus whose opportunities and educations have been made possible through your generous support.